Now I've picked my fennel from the allotment and I've got great big pieces here. Now all you've got to do is just select the ends here, break that off and just get a small bundle of all the fennel, the tufty bits. Now as you can see, I've picked off, now it's important, we're going to boil these, I don't need to cut them out at the moment. So I've just got the heads like that and we're going to plunge that into boiling water. Now I've taken the fennel, as you can see it's all lining one way. You want to cook it like this, only a short time, about a minute or two. Drop it into the salted water and just press it down. Don't go swirling it around because you want to be able to take it out in a minute so you can cut it. But the point of this is it's actually flavouring the water that you're going to cook the spaghetti in, cook it even. Now I've boiled this a few minutes and it's much softer, and I'm going to transfer it to this bowl that I put cold water in. That's going to stop it cooking more, and also when that's dried later on it'll be much easier to cut than when it was before, when there was too much to do. Now you're left with the water that you've boiled the fennel in. Just put that to one side because that's what you're going to cook your chosen pasta in. Now the other ingredients are olive oil. I've got extra virgin olive oil here. I've also got some chilli. You can use as much or as little as you like. You can use the fresh chilli too if you want. And I've got cloves of garlic. Now I love cloves of garlic, so all you've got to do is slice this up, ready for frying. So I've cut the garlic up, but if you don't like eating the garlic, which I do, you can leave the garlic cold and then you can fish them out afterwards. But I'm going to cut them all up. Now, be very generous with the olive oil. How much do you want me to add, Dino?
Little more, little more, little more, little more, little more, little more, little more. Stop. Well, also if it's some little more, doesn't matter, but this is the right portion.
And now I'm adding the garlic to the oil. It's important that the oil is not too hot. You don't want to burn the garlic. You just want to gently fry it until it's pale, not brown. That'll just make it bitter. And now I'm adding the chilli as well to gently fry. You can add as much as you want, and you can also add it later if you want to. Just gently fry that till it's kind of golden but not burnt. Now this is nice and cold now, and you can see how it's all lining the same way. So you just want to pick that up and just squeeze all the water out. Put that to one side, and then you'll find it's much easier to cook. And then you just cut this into very small pieces. So now you can see I've cut up all the fennel and it was so easy to do. I've also got here the garlic and the chilli. I've taken it off because I don't want to add this because it'll have water in it. I don't want it spitting everywhere. So that then can now just be added to the pan and give that a stir. And then all we have to do is cut the pasta. We're going to have spaghetti. Now I'm ready to do the pasta. I'm using spaghetti. Make sure it's a rolling boil here, and you always put in more salt than you think you need. So I'm just going to add my spaghetti. And it's important that for the first minute you really stir it so that it doesn't stick together. Now I've stirred that for a minute until it's all loose, and I'm just going to cover it until you see the froth coming up. And now you can see it frothing away there. You can take the lid off and then you can occasionally keep stirring it. Now the pasta is al dente, and I'm just taking a little bit of water and adding it to the concoction here, and just give that a little stir. You don't want the garlic to burn. And then you can add the pasta to the concoction. So just lift that out and then just put that in there, and then when it's all in, give it a good stir. And now we're stirring the pasta, mixing in all the ingredients. Now it's all mixed up and you can see most of the water's evaporated, and that's actually giving the pasta a nice creamy texture to it. And there you go, it's finished. My, what is it? Pasta alla...
Is aglio e olio con finocchietto selvatico.
That's what I said.
Exactly like that, yeah.
Well, you can do your fancy twirls and everything if you want. So I've just got some
You are
here.
such an Englishman.
So can you add cheese to this?
Well, if you want, you can add, but honestly, I prefer without.
Hang on, I'm just
it's
going
more than natural.
I'm just going to do a bit of fancy.
Yeah,
Voila.
you can. Actually, if you want, you can add a little bit more on the top when you cut it. It's okay, but I prefer without, just like
And you
it
can
is.
add some more chilli if you want to.
Yeah,
You can
exactly.
add
Depends
cheese.
of you if
Which
you want.
cheeses did you say?
Well, normally it's a pecorino.
Okay.
Pecorino, but normally we can use balso parmigiano. I prefer with parmigiano if I have to add.
You carry on talking, I'm
But,
eating.
you know, pecorino would be perfect if you want. But I prefer without, honestly.
You still talking?
Yeah, you enjoy. Bye bye. I think Alan enjoyed that.
Oh,
How is Alan?
it's hot.
I know he's hot. He's just out of the fire now.
Enjoy.
You just funny.
Oh yeah, that was hard. You try and cook an Italian meal with an Italian over your shoulder. Honestly, they can't keep the gob shut. They've always got to butt in.
Definitely we are Italian. Alan, just told you.
It's good.
You just leave the plate alone.
What I need now is a little bit of bread just to get the last of the oil out. That was good. You can wash up now, Dino.
No, that's your job for later.
No, I'm the chef. You're the
Doesn't
bottle
matter.
washer.
Well, you're the chef under my directions. Remember that. Actually, it was very good.
I missed
It was-
a bit.
It's very, very good result, honestly. Well, that is my plate. This is Alan's plate. Off is empty.
Got nothing left.
Actually, it's very, very.
What
very
now?
Good.
Tiramisu?
Yeah, tiramisu maybe
Not
could
for
be
me.
next.
I want
Wow.
the orange.
Enjoy.
Come on,
What do you want?
just give it me.
I'm done.
I'm not spending hours editing this, so you better finish it now. There you go, that's the best bit. Finish it off with a bit of bread. How Italian am I? Oh, that oil is so gorgeous. And that fennel. Yum.
Oh my God, you
Alright.
never left anything.
Making me look like a pig. Come on, finito. There you go, I told you, I'm a good boy. I'm having me orange, keeping on my diet.